All right. Hi, everybody. Oh, let's turn down the stereo. Well, it has been a pretty wild week in the shop. We have everything ripped apart. The dash is out, the console is out. We're getting ready to start on them from raw. All the other parts are good, and actually we're getting ready now. We're gonna be taking the parts up to the booth. So we're gonna get ready to shoot them next week, get final primer on all them, and get everything out of here. The hood, the doors, the fender, all the grill components, all that stuff gone. We have since pulled the box. The box is entirely off the truck. It's all right here. It has been final sanded. Everything's all done on the back. The letters are all done. We're looking really, really good. Blocked out beautifully. We got up, we got the roof all done. So we're good on the roof. So everything's finished. Everything's ready. Once we get rid of all this stuff here today and tomorrow, because I got to do a couple of trips in the van to get rid of the parts, but we're going to be able to blow out the shop, get everything done. We're going to bag up the lowrider and we're good. So we are going to load the van with as much as we can take, and we're going to do a run up to the booth and we're going to unload some stuff. Excited. We're close. Mini Nuts is coming up soon and we are getting there, but we should be hopefully ready to go. Ready for color by the time I'm done for the end of February, and that's our goal. I'm on schedule. All right, let's go. All right, that just about loads the van up enough. That leaves me the hood and one fender. I'm gonna run up, go do this, come back, work on the front of the car for a little bit, and then I'll load these up, and then tomorrow morning, before I leave, drop them up off at the booth, and then that allows me to start working this bad boy and getting this dash ready to go, and the console.
A few moments later.
We've had a lot of progress on the lowrider. We've got new pan hard bar figured out. So this is all done now. We got brackets and everything all done, ready to go. The new bridge is in, the new bag brackets. Our bag plates and everything are set up, ready to go. The links are all done and degreed properly to where they need for the kick up. We've got perfect drive shaft pinions, so when it drops, we're bang on. And it is basically gonna bury my wheel to where I'm about here, away from my pinch weld. And I've got about almost 10 to 12 inches worth of height coming out of the SS7s. We got the new bags. Here they are, SS7s, the big boys. This is awesome, can't wait. Make sure you check out some more videos and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.